Jason, how do I get a library card?
Let's ask the librarian.
Hello, how can I help you? I'd like to get a library card, please. Wow, this library is huge.
I know. There are thousands of books here.
I don't know where to start.
We can ask the librarian.
Okay. Hello, how can I help you? I'd like to get a library card, please. Of course. Do you have an ID with you? Yes, I do. Thank you. Please fill out this form. Okay, where should I write my address? Right here. Here you go. Here is your new card. Thank you so much. I'd like to find a book about animals.
Let's see.
Excuse me, where can I find books about animals? They're in the children's section. It's over there. Thank you. You're welcome. There are so many books.
Which one do you like?
This one looks interesting. That's a great book. Really? Yes, I read it last week. Then I'll read it too. I want to read something exciting. Can you recommend a good book? Of course. What kind of books do you like? I like adventure stories. Then I recommend this one. Thank you, I'll try it. This is the one!
Wow, look at this.
You can borrow these books for 3 weeks? Yes, please return them by the due date. Okay, I'll remember. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your books.
What do you think of your book?
I really like it.
That's good.
I want to come here every week.
You can.
I think the library is my new favorite place.
Did you enjoy your first library visit?
Yes, I learned many new words.
And you asked many questions.
I'm getting better at speaking English.
You definitely are.
Where should we go next?
That's a good question.
Learning around. Now it's time for the listening. I will ask you a few questions about the story. Listen carefully, answer each question. You will have 3 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Where did Sophia and Jason go? The answer is the library. Question 2. What did Sophia want to get? The answer is a library card. Question 3. What kind of book did Sophia want to find? The answer is a book about animals. Question 4. Who recommended a good book to Sophia? The answer is Claire, the librarian. Question 5. How long could Sophia borrow the books? The answer is 3 weeks. How many questions did you answer correctly? Great job! Now let's review some useful words from today's story. Let's review the vocabulary word. Library. A library is a place where people can read, borrow, and return books. For example, I go to the library to borrow books. Let's review the another word. Librarian. A librarian is a person in a library and helps people find books. For example, the librarian helped me find a book. Let's review another word. Recommend. To recommend something means to suggest something because you think it is good. For example, can you recommend a good book, please? Let's review another word. Borrow. To borrow means to take something for a short time and return it later. I borrowed a book from the library. Let's review another word. Due date. A due date is the date when something must be returned or completed. For example, please return the book by the due date. Now it's time for speaking practice. I will say a sentence. Listen carefully. Then, repeat the sentence after me. You will have 3 seconds to speak. Let's practice together. I'd like to get a library card, please. Your turn. Great job! Where can I find books about animals? Your turn. Can you recommend a good book? Your turn. Great! You can borrow these books for 3 weeks. Your turn. Excellent! Please return them by the due date. Your turn. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did a great job. Don't forget to come back for our next adventure. At the restaurant, also subscribe for more. See you next time. Have a nice time.